Okay, I had to wait for someone to get on there. This is interesting. They literally just painted the call station, and they didn't do a very clean or exact job of it either. Something's loose. Wow. Oh my. Here we have an entirely repainted version of the cab from that one pool elevator. Oh, this is bizarre. Looks like they were modded Continentals. I don't even know. Yeah, they're fast though and they run well. On the top floor. No lantern. These are interesting. Hi. I like this cab. You know, obviously, I'm sure this had the same wood. And yeah, look, my suspicions are proven. You can see under the paint, where the paint's peeled off, you can see the old wood, the red wood color underneath. So this had the same type of cab as the previous one I filmed, but they just painted over it. And again, they kind of did a sloppy job. And then this one still has the gold part right there. But very odd mix here we got. I'll let that go.